So this is kind of half duplex, but if there is a multiple device connected on the bus like this, okay, if you look at here, there is a two CAN interface to, so they're clearly saying there is a two CAN interface. And if you write TX, is not giving CAN controller area network. So let's go on the pin mapping the right away. Where is the pin mapping? Okay, below this. Okay, and let's check. If you find, you can interrupt me. I'm also checking the CAN ADC. SPI CAN.